Hi, today we are going to see demo for ATM Safe PHP web application. So first open the XAMPP control panel, then start the Apache and MySQL. Then click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can see the database and then go to the user login. Here you can see the user registration data. Then go to the Visual Studio. First explore the ATM folder. Then you can see the addressing files and source code. Then click on the readme text. Here you can see the login detail and then web browser URL link. Copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Now we can see the ATM Safe web application. It serves two roles, admin and user. First go to the admin role, enter the email ID and password, then login into the admin homepage. Now login successfully. Admin will be create the user ATM cards and manage the card details. So first go to the create card. Here you will add the user debit card details. So enter the username, then enter the debit card number, then enter the account number, then give the username and mobile number. Click on the post. Now register successfully. After you add the debit card, then go to the view cards. Here you can see the all user debit card informations and then admin will be manage the informations. Next we will move for the user login. We have to sign up. Go to the create an account. Enter the register detail. Enter your name, email ID, then give the password. Enter the mobile number and address. Then click on the register. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password, then login into the user homepage. Now login successfully. Where you can see the user homepage, user will be informed the forget debit card owner. So first go to the inform owner. Here you will do the only one step. Enter the debit card number. Then click on the submit. Then credit card owner will be receive the SMS with card received person, contact number, then contact to receive your card. That's the whole ATM Safe PHP web application.